Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix Roblox voice chat not working problem. Let's see how to solve. Go to Google Play Store, search Roblox, search Roblox, update Roblox app if available on Play Store. Go to phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on Roblox, click on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, click on permission, tap on microphone. All permission allow on Roblox app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.